What's up, y'all? So we about to do a winter shrimp boil like y'all seen in the title. You know what I'm saying? You want to put your favorite seafood boil in the water, put the potatoes on. Right here you got the seasoning for the sauce later, 4 tablespoons of everything. Lemon pepper, paprika, Old Bay, cayenne, Cajun seasoning. You can tweak it, you know, to make it spicy by adding more cayenne, you know, but it's really up to you at the end of the day. Look at everything going, boiling, you know. Look at them crab legs. That was my sister. I ain't want crab legs. It's too much work for a little bit of meat. Yeah, look at that butter. A lot of butter, because butter make it taste better. Shout out to DK4L. I ain't gonna lie, next time I'm gonna use more garlic. More garlic. Garlic make it taste better too. Vigorously. Stir vigorously. Okay, well now when it comes to the brown sugar, you could add a little bit more if you want a little sweetness, but that 2 to 3 tablespoons is not gonna make it really sweet, it's just gonna make it thick. And you could add more hot sauces if you want it, you know, more like spicy or a vinegar taste to it. And then boom, look at that. You can't say that don't look good. Yeah, so I decided to give y'all a little recipe video. Hope y'all like it.